Peace and salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the SouthWst Shaman, and you are now shining with the Arizona sun. Check it out, man. This video is about, it's a workout informational video, and I'm going to show you in this video basically the fine qualities of the dip bar. You know what I'm saying? Because it's very versatile and it's essential. So here it is. I have myself and my home workout set up that I've designed and built myself from just random material. A dip bar. So allow me to get the angle on the camera, right? And yeah. So obviously there's the obvious standard, you know, let me get up here and do some dips type thing. Get up here and do them all the way down, you know, get that stretch. But when you come up, you don't want to necessarily lock your elbows like you know, that's gonna do damage to your elbows. So don't go locking your elbows out when you hit that up motion. Okay, so you could go in and then do small pumps, then go up. That's one way. Like I said, the other way, just all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. It's working your shoulders, it's working your chest and your core. And speaking of that, this is another thing. The dip bar allows instant, basically, a way to work your core. So, leg positioning. You want to have, I like to do it like this. Some people do it like crossed, you know, cross their feet. You're like, what do I do with my feet? And when you're starting out, if you can't have somebody spot you, if you need that, because chances are to get those reps up, you might need someone to spot you. You want to have something like this where you can step on something to relieve the weight and control the weight distribution. You know what I'm saying? So I can take as much weight on or off as I want, and it allows me to also get extra reps at the end. And also, my dip bar is positioned high enough where I can do hammer pull-ups. You know, and another beautiful thing about dips is I can throw a backpack on with weight or around my waist and make them, you know, weighted dips. Dips are an essential food group in the workout, my friend. My friend. Oh, also I forgot about this. You can do shrugs. You get up there. So, man, look at all that. Look at all that. Look at that. What you could do with the dips. My friend, it's expansive. Oh, and if you, in this setup, I have also a way to do different hand grips. So, that's just something to think about as well. But yeah, like and subscribe for these gems. Working out with the SouthWst Shaman. Let's take this walk with the vibes, talk, and make magic.